Well, that's weird. It stopped by the time I got my camera, but we had a little bit of hail here. Came down like fucking crazy. Well, figures by the time I run into the house, get my camera, it stops. You can't even see through it all. And as quick as it started, it stopped. That's not a good sign. That means winter is coming up. Look at these cool things. Oh. Guess you gotta get used to winter when it gets here. Don't have to like it though. It's too bad it stopped though, because it looked pretty cool. Anyway, ciao for now, guys.